This Elkay EZH2O bottle filling station delivers a clean, quick water bottle fill and enhances sustainability by minimizing our dependency on disposable plastic bottles. Surface mount design. Ideal for installations with limited wall depth. Sanitary no-touch sensor activation with automatic 20-second shut-off timer. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Cooler bottle filler combos. Elkay EZH2O bottle filling stations combined with coolers offer a consolidated, space-saving design. Number 2. Vandal-resistant models. Full stainless steel construction is durable, easy to clean, and ideal for public spaces with high traffic. Number 3. Outdoor tubular styles. Units are constructed from Type 316 stainless steel for a resilient exterior that withstands the elements. Number 4. Exclusive green ticker. Informs users of the number of 20 ounces. Plastic water bottles are saved from waste by using refillable bottles at an EZH2O. Number 5. Built in the USA. Elkay bottle filling stations are proudly built in the USA. Number 6. Minimal splashing. Dispenses a clean, laminar flow of water, so there is minimal splashing when filling reusable bottles and cups. Number 7. Hands-free operation. Sensor activation and bottle rest platform provide users with a touchless bottle filling experience. Number 8. The fill rate is 1.5 GPM. Number 9. Visual filter monitor with LED filter status indicator for when filter change is necessary. Number 10. The 3,000-gallon filter is certified to NSF 42 and 53 for lead, Class 1 particulate, chlorine, taste, and reduction. Number 11. Able to pair with a remote chiller. Number 12. Silver ion protection on key plastic components to inhibit the growth. Number 13. A real drain system eliminates standing water. Number 14. Rated for indoor use. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.